In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore or recover deleted posts on Instagram. So it's real easy to do. So go to your Instagram, okay, and go to the bottom right corner where your profile picture is. And you want to go to the three bars at the top right corner here. So from this point, you're in your settings and activity, and you just want to go to the very first section where it says how you use Instagram and go ahead and click on your activity. So from this point, you're going to have a section that says recently deleted. And this is going to have all of your deleted posts or anything that you delete on Instagram, it's going to have here. And it's going to give you a time frame of when you can recover or restore those items that are here. So for example, I have a picture of my dog here, and what I can do is once you click on the actual post or photo, anything that it is, you can go to the three dots at the top right corner here and choose to restore it or delete it permanently. So there's an option to bring this back onto your post just to have it on Instagram, and then you don't have to worry about it going away. And that's it. Keep it simple, keep it easy. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.